All right, Kathy, I like your cloth.
Yes.
Let's check it out, the finished product.
Yes, it's Funtu, Funafu, Denchen, Funafu, and Sankofa. Funtu and Funafu means that they share, one moment, that they share one stomach, yet they fight over food. It's about unity and how we can all eat and all be happy if we learn how to get along together. So that's a good thing. And sometimes they fight over having the sweetness in their mouth, but they can all survive if they learn how to work together. And since you know how to work together and get us all here in Africa, we're able to help our brothers and sisters here in this country. So thank you.
That's incredible. That is incredible.
And do you like my work? I did that myself.
All right, and these Adinkra stamps have valuable meaning, as Kathy just pointed out. So you can do, hundreds of combinations.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
And you get your Sankofa.
Oh, Sankofa. Sankofa means that you can return and fetch it. It means that even though I may have lost it, or my ancestors may have lost it, I can come back and see my family again. And coming here to Ghana is probably where my family left from, because out of the 66 slave dungeons they had in West Africa, 32 of them were here. So chances are you did come through Ghana to be able to come to the Americas, the Caribbean, etc. So I've returned to fetch it. I've returned to fetch my culture, I've returned to fetch my name, and I've returned to fetch who I am.
All right, my sister, well, we appreciate your energy and keep on reconnecting.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we have another cloth here. All right, and this is for Crystal. What is the meaning of your cloth?
My cloth is
symbol of faithfulness. Symbol of faithfulness.
right.
And then this one,
Yeah,
wisdom nut.
nut.
This one is wisdom nut. And then the heart, akuma.
Which is a symbol of patience and tolerance. And I chose that because when I was at W.E. Du Bois's house, when we went into his burial area, they said whatever stool you sit on, your spirit chose that stool. And all of the stools are with different symbols. And I sat on this one. So that's why I chose the wisdom knot. I'm very big on wisdom.
All right, let's check out the finished product. Hey, all right. That is powerful. That is powerful. So family, everybody have their own style and own vision of what kind of cloth they have. And you can do the same. You buy a cloth and then you get your favorite stamps on there with the meaning of what you're looking to build. All right, we're going to check with one other person. Our good friend here. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling beautiful.
All right, what kind of cloth are you getting made?
Beautiful kente with my Adinkra symbols for friends and family.
Which is your number one stamp?
For my girlfriend Duafe. And Duafe is the comb. It's a wood comb, symbol of feminine essence, outward beauty, inner and outward beauty together. Duafe, that's her.
Wow, that's powerful. So I'm ready. Right, that is powerful. All right, family, that cloth is going to be made soon, and let's see what else we have in progress.
You're welcome. Hey, Bibi. Hey.
Duafe.
I'm coming. Yeah. I said, right. I'm in here. Perfect. No, the last one. And then talk to her right down there. And then talk to the video. The meaning of your symbol. Right here? Yes, down.
Wow.
Lift it up.
And how do you feel about making your first cloth?
I'm excited. This is so much fun. It's so awesome. This feels good. It's exciting. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hey.